Continuation. The next topic is identify the types of sentences. Now, here a sentence will be given. You will have to identify whether that sentence is an assertive, imperative, exclamatory, or interrogative. These you have seen. Again, we will revise it. What do you mean by sentence first? Sentence is a group of words which makes a full sense or complete meaning. Now, there are four types of sentences as we have seen. What do you mean by the assertive sentence? Assertive sentence is a sentence which is a general truth. Now, we can say we live on earth. Sun rises in the east. The general statement which we give are all assertive sentence. They have a complete meaning in itself. Okay. Now, let us see what do you mean by imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, order or request is made. Please shut the door. Let us see the example. Please shut the door. Keep quiet. When the order is given or a request is made, we need to identify that it is an imperative sentence. Next, we need to see is the next sentence is exclamatory. Sudden feeling or emotion of sadness or happiness is expressed in exclamatory, and at last there is an exclamatory mark too. Okay, from that we can identify that it is an exclamatory sentence. Oh, what a lovely picture. Okay, now we can say another thing, that is interrogative. Interrogative sentence, how we can identify when the question is asked, maybe whether it is a WHO question or HOW question. Okay, how are you, how old are you, what is your name, and many more. Whenever the question is asked and at the end there is a question mark, it is an interrogative sentence. So I hope you have easily identify these kind of sentences and can get easily the marks therein. Now, the other thing which we need to do is arrange the words in alphabetical order. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Here we will take some examples and then we will understand how to do it. Okay, now here the words are sinister, semester, similar, senator. Now there is a display of the words given there. First word is similar in all the words. Now here we will have to see the second word. Concentrate on the second word. Then you will identify in an alphabetical order which words come first, and accordingly you have to arrange the words. Okay. Now the another example here is miracle, miser, mischief, misrule. We have to arrange them in an alphabetical order. Next example is disparity, disloyal, disorder, dishonest. Now the next topic we are going to give is complete the word chain according to the part of speech. Okay. Now if the words are noun, then all the words which will come in the chain will be noun. What do you mean by chain? Now the alphabet, suppose here the example is BOOK, book. It is a noun. Now all the word, the ending alphabet is K. The next word will start with K. That will be KITE, kite. The next word will start with E. EGG, egg. The last letter of egg is G. Now the next letter will start with G. Okay, GLOVE, glow. Then the next word, that the last alphabet here is E. So the next word which will start with, or the noun which will start with, is elephant. ELEPHANT. So here we have to see that all the words which are coming in the chain are compulsorily of noun. Okay. Next example which we are seeing of verb. Now the next example here we are seeing is of verb. WORK, work. Now verb, what do you mean by verb? Verb is an action word. It shows an action. So all the words will come regarding the action. So WORK, work. K is the last alphabet here. With K we will start the next word. Make it simple and try to make it simple so that the spelling mistake will not happen with you. Okay, so after work it is KEEP, keep. Then after that it is prepare. P is the ending alphabet, then it starts with P, that is prepare. After that E is the ending alphabet, then it starts with E, erase. The next word will start with E again, that is elaborate. Okay. Now we will see the form of adjective. Now here adjective form here is, now the word, first word it starts with T, timid, ends with D. Then again the next word it starts with D, dark, kind, daring, glowing. Inshallah next time we will continue in the same series some of the points which I have missed of the grammar part or the topics which I have missed here. We will continue inshallah next time. Thank you so much.